Good morning, dear students. As we have completed the introduction part of this chapter, that is the combustion. Okay, so you all know what is the combustion, and also we have studied about the ignition temperature. Okay, so now here we also know that what are the combustible substances, as I have given in your homework. Okay, the combustion is what? It is a kind of process, it is a chemical process, okay, in which a substance react with oxygen to give off heat is called as the combustion. Okay, now we'll start the new will continue that ignition temperature. As we have discussed in our previous video about the ignition temperature, it means what? This is the lowest temperature of substance that catches the fire easily. Okay, so you all have seen the matchstick, that how does get burn or catch the fire, right? By rubbing the matchstick on any surface or any dry surface. Okay, here the history of matchstick is given, that matchstick is made up of what? It is nothing but a mixture of antimony trisulfate, okay, sulfide, potassium chloride and white phosphorus with some glue. As we have studied in the fourth chapter, that is metal and non-metal, that is one of the properties, that phosphorus that we have to handle with care, okay, because it catches the fire easily. Clear? Now this phosphorus, potassium chloride, white phosphorus, potassium chloride, trisulfate and glue. Now this mixture was applied on the head of the suitable wood. Okay, now this wood, when we rub on any rough surface, now it will catch the fire. Okay, now this way the matchstick has been invented. Clear? Now we find, now this is about the history of matchstick. Once you will go through it, you will come to know. Okay, I'll send you the link also, that how the matchstick gets burned, either how the matchstick catch the fire. Okay, now here we find that combustible substance cannot catch fire or burn as long as the temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. Okay, it means what? कि combustible substances जो है वो easy, some of them cannot catch the fire or burn as long as, means कि वो लंबे समय तक वो जल सकते नहीं है, क्योंकि उसका टेम्परेचर है वो इग्निशन टेम्परेचर से भी लोअर है. ओके, सो हैव यू एवर सीन द कुकिंग ऑयल कैच द फायर व्हेन अ फ्राई पैन इज केप्ट ऑन अ बर्निंग स्टव? यस, यू माइट बी हैव सीन दिस. ओके, अगर हम लंबे टाइम तक जो ऑयल, कुकिंग ऑयल है, वो लंबे टाइम तक उसको हम गर्म करेंगे, हमारा ध्यान ही नहीं रहा, हम उसको स्टव पे रख के चले गए, देन इट विल मे कैच द फायर. इफ here the another example is that the kerosene oil and wood do not catch the fire on their own at room temperature. केरोसिन और ऑयल जो है, केरोसिन ऑयल है और वुड है, उसको अगर हम पड़े ही रहने देंगे, क्या वो जल जाएगा? नहीं, वो ऐसे जलता नहीं है. बट इफ केरोसिन ऑयल इज हीटेड अ लिटल, अगर उसको जरा सा भी गर्म किया, इट विल कैच द फायर. बट वुड क्या जरा सा गर्म करने से वो जलता है? नो. ओके, इट वुड नॉट स्टिल कैच द फायर. डज इट? इट मीन्स व्हाट? मैंने ये इग्निशन टेम्परेचर की डेफिनेशन के टाइम पे मैंने समझाया था. ओके, इफ वी वांट टू बर्न सम टेंडर्स, द लीव्स, देन ड्राई branches of trees and wood, then we need to pour some oil, either kerosene, either piece of paper which is dipped into the kerosene oil, so that it will catch the fire easily, and based on that the wood can also catch the fire easily. ओके, बट अकेला वुड है, उसको जरा सा भी हीट करने से वो तुरंत आग पकड़ता नहीं है. सो डज इट मीन व्हाट? The ignition temperature of kerosene is lower than that of wood. ओके, जो वुड का टेम्परेचर है वो इग्निशन टेम्परेचर से भी लोअर है. आफ्टर ऑल द मीनिंग ऑफ इग्निशन टेम्परेचर इट मीन्स व्हाट? कि जो सब्सटेंस है उसका टेम्परेचर लोअर होना चाहिए ताकि वो दे कैन कैच द फायर इजीली. बट वो जो लोवेस्ट टेम्परेचर है अगर उससे भी लोअर हुआ तो दे कैन नॉट कैच द फायर इजीली. ओके, नाउ another thing is, does it mean that we need to take special care in storing kerosene oil? Yes, it is. kerosene oil, kerosene है वो मोस्टली वो किस में उसको स्टोर किया जाता है? प्लास्टिक्स में. Okay, the following activity shows that it is essential for the substance to reach ignition temperature. Okay, here one activity is given that you will have to be careful while handling the candle. Okay, what will you have to do? You have to make 2 paper cups by folding a sheet of paper and pour about 50 ml of water in one of the cups. It means what? You will have to wet the paper with the help of water. You have to dip the paper in the water. Okay, so that it will get wet. वो गीला हो जाएगा पेपर. Okay, now hit both the cups separately with a candle. फिर दोनों को कैंडल से separately हीट देना है. Then what do you observe? You might observe that ये जो हमने वाटर में पेपर को डिप किया है वो जलने में टाइम लगेगा. आइदर वो जलेगा ही नहीं. ओके, इट टेक्स दी टाइम. और जो पेपर कप है वो फटाफट से वो फायर कैच कर लेगा. ओके, सो व्हाट हैपन टू द एम्प्टी पेपर कप एंड व्हाट हैपन टू द पेपर कप विथ वाटर? डज वाटर इन दिस कप बिकम हॉट? क्या वो गर्म हो जाएगा पानी उसके अंदर है वो? सो लेट्स सी दैट. ओके, सो इफ वी कंटिन्यू हिटिंग द कप वी कैन इवन बॉयल द वाटर इन द पेपर कप. अगर उसको हमने कंटिन्यू हिट दिया तो इट माइट हैपन दैट जो कप के अंदर का पानी है वो गर्म होने का स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. Okay, so can you think of the explanation for this phenomena? ऐसा क्यों हुआ कि पानी गर्म क्यों हुआ, पानी वाला जला क्यों नहीं और पेपर ही क्यों जल गया? Okay, because the heat supplies to the paper cup is transferred to water by conduction. हम जब भी किसी को हीट देते हैं, okay, first it will cover the heat, it will absorb it so that the water get boiled. कंडक्शन का मीनिंग पता है ना आपको? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में आप पढ़ते हो कंडक्शन. ओके, सो दैट हीट इज supplied to the water and that's why the water gets boiled. So in the presence of water the ignition temperature of paper is not reached. So due to the water जो ignition temperature है पेपर का वो लो हो जाएगा, इसीलिए वो फायर कैच करता नहीं है. क्लियर? ओके, इतनी बात समझ में आई. नाउ नेक्स्ट विल सी दी इनफ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंसेस. नाउ व्हाट इज द इनफ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंस? द सब्सटेंस विच हैव वेरी लो इग्निशन टेम्परेचर एंड can easily catch the fire with a flame are called the inflammable substances. Example, inflammable substances are petrol, alcohol, liquefied petroleum gas, etc. Okay, जो substance है inflammable substance, it means what? कि the substance that have very low ignition temperature, it means once it will comes in a contact with heat, वो कोई भी हीट के कांटेक्ट में आया तो वो तुरंत ही कैच कर लेगा फायर को. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सब्सटेंस. विद इन अ सेकेंड इट विल बी फायर. ओके, पेट्रोल का, अल्कोहल का आपने देखा ही होगा, आई एम श्योर. सो you will have to list out some of the example of inflammable substances. Okay, at least you should know two extra. Okay, now how do we control the fire? Now this topic is very common topic, as you already study in the and EVS also in your primary classes. Though once you will read it, you will come to know what is it. Okay, how do we control a fire? We know if there is a fire exist, then we call the fireman, fire extinguisher. Okay, and we know there is a certain fire extinguisher types also. Clear? Now let's see this types of combustion. Okay, this topic I am giving you self study because it's very common topic. How do we control fire? Okay, with the help of extinguisher. Clear? Now here the certain types of fire extinguisher is given. As you all know, in our school there are various types of fire extinguisher available. Okay, as well as you all have seen the demo of how do we control this, how do we handle this fire extinguisher. ओके, आप सब लोगों ने लाइव डेमो देखा है उसका कि फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर हम कैसे हैंडल कर सकते हैं. ओके, देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर, A, B and C. ओके, so just go through it. Now here the types of combustion. Okay, so burning, bring a burning matchstick or a gas lighter near a gas stove in the kitchen. Turn on the knob of the gas stove. What do you observe? क्या करना है यहाँ पे? आपको मैच स्टिक जलाना है, आपको अपने स्टव का जो नोब है वो ओपन करना है. Then what do you observe? That gas is released on the from the knob, right? वो गैस स्टव से वो गैस रिलीज होगा. Now that gas is immediately catch the matchstick's fire. Okay, so on the basis of that we will have the mainly 3 types of combustion. Okay, rapid, spontaneous and explosion. Okay, now let's we see the what is the rapid combustion. We find that the gas burn rapidly and produce the heat and light. Okay, not only gas but matchstick, candle. Okay, when it will burns, it rapidly produce heat and light. वो heat भी produce करता है and it gives us light also. Okay, such combustion is known as rapid combustion. Okay, so in this what you will have to keep it in mind, it gives heat and light. Okay, rapidly, तुरंत ही हमें देता है. Once it will burns, it will gives us heat and light. So there are substances like phosphorus which burn in air at room temperature. Again the phosphorus is here, as this phosphorus is used in the making the matchstick. Okay, now another type of combustion is spontaneous combustion. Now it means what? The types of combustion in which a material suddenly bursts into flames and without the application of any apparent cause is called spontaneous combustion. Now this combustion, it means what? It suddenly burns. It is immediately, within a second, it will burst, okay, into flame without any application of any apparent causes. For example, your crackers. Okay, once you will give the light to the crackers. Okay, आप तो जैसे ही आप क्रैकर को जलाते हो, within a second it will burst and it in a flame. Okay, now here we generally have a fireworks on festival days. when a cracker is ignited, जलाना उसका scientific word है ignited. Okay, a sudden reaction takes place with the evaluation of heat, light and sound. Okay, so spontaneous combustion में क्या produce होगा? Heat, light and sound. Wherein this rapid combustion में क्या produce होता है? Only heat and light. So this is the difference, okay, in the rapid and spontaneous combustion. Okay, a large amount of gas formed in the reaction is liberated, as well as apart from these three, heat, light and sound, a gas is also produced. ओके, इसीलिए बोलते हैं कि क्रैकर्स मत जलाओ, उससे पॉल्यूशन बढ़ता है. तो पॉल्यूशन कैसे बढ़ता है? बाय प्रोड्यूसिंग द गैस. ओके, द सच अ रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज द एक्सप्लोजन. ओके, सो एक्सप्लोजन कैन ऑल्सो टेक्स प्लेस इफ प्रेशर इज अप्लाई ऑन द क्रैकर. अगर हम क्रैकर के ऊपर प्रेशर अप्लाई करते हैं, क्रैकर के अंदर से प्रेशर अप्लाई हुआ, क्योंकि क्रैकर कैसे ब्रस्ट होता है वो आप सब लोगों ने देखा ही होगा, विद द फुल प्रेशर. ओके, आपने सब लोगों ने सभी टाइप्स के बॉम्ब फोड़े ही होंगे, ओके, किए ही होंगे. सो हाउ इट विल बर्स्ट विद द प्रेशर एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड द एक्सप्लोजन. वो बॉम्ब कैसे ब्लास्ट होता है? due to by giving some pressure in it. Okay, so here there is a more information given about the spontaneous combustion. It is a coal dust has resulted in many disaster fire in coal mines. आपने coal mine का KGF मूवी है, it is mainly based on coal mine, right? अगर coal mine में जरा सा भी अगर फायर हुआ, so it may get the disastrous fire. Okay, now spontaneous forest fire are sometimes due to the heat of the sun or due to the lightning strikes. Okay, now lightning strike it means what? कि lightning strike पता होगा, जब lightning होती है, जब आसमान में lightning होती है between two clouds. Okay, उसकी strike की वजह से भी spontaneous combustion होता है. However, most forest fire are due to the carelessness of human being. Forest fire कई कबार human being की भी वजह से होता है. It is important to remember that the campfires must be completely extinguished before leaving a forest after a picnic or a visit. Campfire करने के लिए सब लोग जाते हैं ना फॉरेस्ट में. सो दैट टाइम जब कैंप फायर का टाइमिंग ख़त्म हो गया तो हमें वो फायर को अच्छे से पहले फायर एक्सटिंग्विश करना है बिफोर लिविंग अ फॉरेस्ट आफ्टर अ पिकनिक और अ विजिट. ओके, सो जो आग लगने के चांसेस है वो कम हो जाएंगे, ना के बराबर हो जाएंगे. क्लियर? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ कंबशन and you will have to do by your own. I am giving you in the homework that you will have to write down the short note on types of fire extinguisher. Okay, it will be asked in the exam. I will be asked in the exam also. So don't take it lightly, take it seriously. Clear? So we will keep here this. In the next class we'll study about the flame. Okay, so till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you all.